Hello, my name is Tova Gaster, and I'm a student in Computer Science 110, and this is my code for question 5, chapter 2. So first of all, I'm going to define all the variables. So P, which is the starting amount, is going to be 10,000. N is how many times the interest is compounded per year, which is 12. R is the interest rate as a decimal, so 0.08. And then T, which is the number of years. And so to get T, we need to prompt that from the user. So it's going to be T equals int input how many years as a string. And then that string, how many years, will pop up, and then the user can input however many years it is. And then the int is to convert that into an integer that we can then use in the calculation to get the final amount. And to get that calculation, it's for the final amount, it's going to be a equals int, and then the equation that we're given at the beginning of the problem, which is p times 1 plus r over n to the power of n over t. And then the int is to convert that from a float into just like an integer, because otherwise there would be a bunch of decimals. And so then to print out the answer, I put print and then a string after, and then t, so that's however many years these are put in. And then a string years, the final amount will be. And then I concatenated that with the string of A so that that flows as a sentence and there's not like a weird space there. And then when we run that, then it prompts how many years. I can put in 7, and then it answers after 7 years the final amount will be $10,114. Thank you.